Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about inflation, the role it plays in our society, and a concept called the T0 theory of money. So let's first talk about inflation. What is inflation? Inflation is basically the measure of how your dollar is losing its value over time. In any developed country or any developed society, inflation is necessary because without inflation, you're encouraging people to hold on to their money and discouraging spending. Now this is definitely not good for any society because you do want some consumption, some expenditure to allow the country to grow. Healthy inflation rate for a developed country is about 3%. So that means something that is worth $1 today will be worth $1.03 in a year's time. Now, with that in mind, after understanding inflation and the role it plays in our society, we will introduce a new concept called the T0 theory of money. So what is the T0 theory of money? It basically means that for any purchases that you have, whether be it something that is financial, something that is an investment, you are not concerned about the past performance or the past value the moment you buy the item or the assets. All you are concerned about is the future value. So let's consider two different properties that you are presented with. The first one is worth $800,000 today, but you know that 5 years down the road, it will be worth $1.2 million, giving you a 50% increase over 5 years. Second property is a lot cheaper, exactly the same location, same locality, same geographic, but it costs you only $400,000 today, but you know that in 5 years time, the value of the property will stay at $400,000. So there is zero growth at all. Now between these two assets, which of these assets has better future value of money? Obviously the first one, because you have some capital growth right there. So even though it's the exact same locality, perhaps same level, same facing, same unit, same basically almost identical properties, but the fact that the first property has a 50% increase in 5 years time, if you apply the T0 theory of money over here, you know that future value of money makes the first property a much better investment property than the second. Now how it applies, I hope this is something that is really going to be helpful for a lot of you out there, is to always consider that moving forward, whatever you buy into, consider the future value of money, consider the future value and see what is something that really will be able to help you in future. You do not want to go into something that is going to be cheap and give you the immediate gratification, but you're gonna get punished for it a little later down the road. So with that being said, hopefully it has been helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time.